Hello everyone. So this video is for the audience of Pakistan, and they're complaining that they every time they wanna meet some Pakistani doctor, they find international doctors. So first thing first, you need to do filter country, and then you need to type your country here, and then doctors from that country will be listed here. So you can see all of these doctors are registered on DigiHomeo and they belong to Pakistan. And further down, if you want to drill down, you can always provide state, province, and then your city as well. And then you can have a look at the complete list of the doctors, and then you can meet and greet. And if you wanna book an appointment, or maybe wanna contact the doctor, simply tap on it, and here you will see the WhatsApp details, call, SMS, or maybe email. So that's it. So let me just close it down. So this way you can find from your country. So let's see, if I type India here, so all of these doctors are registered on DigiHomeo. They are from India. So this way you can filter the country, state, or city, and then you will find the doctors in your area. So let me, I belong to Faisalabad. So let's see if, okay, so these doctors belong to Faisalabad. So this way we can filter out like with respect to country, state, and then city. Thanks for watching.